Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm taking a look at the latest turn in the ongoing saga that is Windows recall. Let's get into it. First, a quick refresher. Here is a 25-second clip to remind you of what Windows recall is.
With recall, we're going to leverage the power of AI and the new system performance to make it possible to access virtually anything you have ever seen on your PC. It's going to be, honestly, as if you have photographic memory. And the ability to access this memory with simply your words in a form that's natural for you. And recall is only going to be possible on these advanced PCs.
So recall works by taking screenshots of your PC every few seconds or so, saving those screenshots, processing them with AI techniques, and then storing them in a database which is indexed and can be searched later. Yeah, it's a bit of a security nightmare. That database is a hacker's honeypot. They could learn a ton about you very quickly just by searching that database. And it all runs on Windows, which has never had any security problems. Well, anyway, the news today is that this feature has been delayed yet again. It was supposed to launch in the summer, then a torrent of pushback happened. Microsoft delayed it, made the feature opt-in, and then delayed it to October, made it uninstallable entirely. And now it's being delayed from October into December. So what's going on? Microsoft claims that they want to make sure they do a good job, incorporate all the feedback and concerns they got. Perhaps they're just working on it some more to polish it. Perhaps they felt that a late December release would be more likely to go under the rug. Frankly, at this point, with the amount of heat that Microsoft has taken, I'm surprised they haven't killed this thing entirely. I suspect the only reason they haven't is because it's a feature tied to the new Copilot Plus PCs that have the AI chips inside them. I think Microsoft is searching for ways to make these chips useful for people so they don't want to can Windows recall. And you know, I think this thing has been a disaster. Here's one commenter saying that they're going to switch to Linux from Windows just because of recall. But here is another commenter that asks why people are bent out of shape about recall and not Apple Intelligence. I think that's a great question. Here's what I think. One, the user bases are a bit different. Windows is widely used in corporate environments where spyware, malware are a regular concern. I think the average Windows user is a bit more concerned about this topic than a Mac user. Two, people may disagree, and that's cool, but I do think Apple has a better reputation on privacy and security than Microsoft. Brands do matter, and whether it's true or not, I think Apple is a little bit more trusted. And three, I don't think that most people realize how deeply Apple Intelligence is going to dive into your information on your phone. Apple is great at branding and packaging features, and they do a much better job at obscuring the technical details behind the user experience. Technical users will clearly understand what is happening, but Apple avoids too much talk about the technology and focuses on the benefits to the customer. And in this case, almost immediately after the announcement, the press and Microsoft got into a detailed technical discussion about how this feature works. Here's an example clip on exactly just how quickly the Wall Street Journal pivoted into a technical discussion of this feature.
Here's how it works. Windows constantly takes screenshots of what's on your screen, then uses a generative AI model right on the device, along with the NPU, to process all that data and make it searchable, even photos.
For some reason, it just seems like Apple is a bit slicker in their communication and avoid getting into the nuts and bolts. But I'll admit, that's just my perception. I'm curious what you guys think. So leave a comment down below if you have another take on it. But for now, just wanted to update everyone that recall is still coming, even if it's not coming until December, at least for now. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you next time.